My name is Ryan, and I'm a product marketing manager here at Workable. I'd like to take you through our newest product update, Self-Managed Custom Fields. Prior to this release, managing your custom fields is a bit of a cumbersome process. If you wanted to add or edit any of the custom fields within your account, you actually had to reach out to your Workable account manager to do that. Now we give you control. You'll be able to structure the candidate profile sections and fields. You can actually go ahead and rename, move, delete, or disable any of those custom fields, and even add answer choices to questions that are multiple choice. Then you'll be able to structure the application form to exactly the way that you'd like. And then before you put anything into practice, you can actually preview it on both the candidate profile and application form to make sure it looks all right. To start managing your custom fields, you're going to want to click on your account menu, go to your settings, and then click on the workflow page. The first thing that you'll probably notice is that now you can actually see the structure for both your candidate profile and your application form. You'll see that they're broken into individual sections that make up the entire candidate profile or application form. This makes it super easy to actually go ahead and change the order of any of the components or sections that are within the candidate profile. So we'll move up and down the candidate profile, or you can do this as well in the application form. Well, you can't change the three main sections of the application form. You can expand each one and actually change around any of the fields that exist within each of the sections. So if you wanted to move the cover letter to the top of the details section, you could easily drag and drop it, the same as you could for any of these. At the bottom, you'll see questions for internal applicants that will only appear on the application form that internal candidates have through their referrals platform. Those that are already within your account will appear under whatever section they've been added to. Ours are here under the other details section. You can see here that we have three custom fields. One is a yes/no question to be answered by the candidate. One would be a date selection by a member of our account. And then the other would be a multiple choice selection by the candidate. You can see here that we actually have three main actions on each custom field. The first one would be actually moving it to an entirely new section within the candidate profile. So if I wanted to move it into, say, the summary section for some reason, I could actually go ahead and do that. Now you'll see the custom field appears under that section. The next option that we have is we can actually go ahead and edit the custom field itself. We can change the custom field title if we'd like. We can't change the field type, the provider, or the location in the application form. I would like to note here that for the provider, anytime it says candidate, this means that it will be in the application form to be answered by the candidate. You can also select the default setting for the new jobs, and you can choose the visibility of who can see the answer to this custom field. If it's a multiple choice question, you actually have some more options. You can go ahead and actually play around with your answer choices. So you can change the name if you'd like. You can go ahead and delete it if a candidate has never answered that answer choice. But if they have and you'd still like to get rid of it, you can actually go ahead and just disable that answer choice. You can always add a new answer choice very easily, so that way you kind of have full control over your multiple choice questions. One feature that I definitely recommend using is anytime that you make a change to either the candidate profile or the application form, whether it would be changing the order or changing an actual custom field, is going ahead and actually previewing that. So you can preview both the candidate profile and the application form to make sure that it has kind of the look and feel that you want and everything's in the order that you'd like. Definitely something that's extremely helpful just to kind of see your changes in real time. If you have any questions about self-managed custom fields, I would definitely recommend reaching out to your account manager. If you need to add custom fields to your account, that will also have to be done through your account manager for the moment. I am happy to say that we are releasing a future product update to allow you to create your own custom fields. We will also have a support article available at help.workable.com if you just search for custom fields. Thank you.